What's going on, guys? We made it to Merritt, BC. I decided I'm going to the van meetup after all. But I only drove like, what was it, 3 or 4 hours? Only 3 hours yesterday. Checking my oil all along the way, obviously. So far, so good. Checking it this morning. Make sure everything's good. Alright, oil level is still perfectly fine. It's good to see. Alright. So on my travels from Revelstoke yesterday, I did stop just in case and stopped at Canadian Tire and got a bottle of 5W20 synthetic oil, because that's what I have is full synthetic. So yeah, have this on hand, have lots of antifreeze on hand. I got everything, I hope. So yeah, so far so good. I think it's only like 2 hours to Cultus Lake from here. So we just gotta stop at a grocery store, grab a couple of last things, and we're on our way to the van meetup. Are you ready to go, Uma? Already in your seat, ready to go? All right, baby, let's get on the road. All right, groceries are done. We're off to Cultus Lake. Let's go through some mountains. What's up, guys? We made it to the Hymer Meetup. We're just in Cultus Lake, which is right around Chilliwack, BC. Car did fine, the Scottish did fine. So yeah, we're here with a bunch of other Hymers. I don't know if everybody showed up yet, but yeah, we're just gonna do van tours and see everybody's modifications and how they live in their van. I think I might be the only full-timer here this time. And yeah, just gonna check everything out, have some food, chat, hang around the fire, play some games probably. It'll be fun, I think, I hope. So yeah, we're here. 4 days, should be a good weekend, weather's perfect. Beautiful campground. So yeah, we are gonna hang out here and yeah, do some tours. I don't know.
Roads not on the map. I can body where I want to, even stop to take a nap. In a rest stop or a parking lot, Cracker Barrel is the best. From casinos to the forest, Hymer actives are our nest. If I never bought a Hymer, we would never get to meet. Learning bombers, fixing batteries, never there to underneath.
Especially with Sam Carswell.
When we bought one, we had no clue how much fun that we would have, meeting people and their Hymers while we travel across the land.
All right, some people have done some pretty damn impressive modifications to their van. I'm going to go across the way here and I'm going to show you Kit and Laurie's van. He's done a hell of a job just completely changed the bedroom area. Made it very useful for day and night. So yeah, let's go check it out. It's got the four corners moving to really secure it. It's, the other two are just seat belts, not quite as robust. So it's kind of extends the bed on both sides. Okay. And then it's kind of the garage door torsion spring. Push it down, push it up. It's down. And it's got 4 cables on each side. And then it's the actual torsion spring system is right here, where the cables come into it on both sides. Oh yeah. And there's a Froley, it's a German, basically a box spring system. Yep. And the bed was made out of a repurposed extension ladder. Oh really? I just needed an I-beam, and it was a whole lot cheaper than very cool any of the aluminum extrusions that you would buy. Nice. So then it's basically about a 5-inch mattress then is what everything works out to be. So that's still the original ceiling, you just had to cover up where the cabinets were? Yeah, so then I just had to cover that and have a little more storage here now for... Oh, I see, it is storage. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Yeah, just mine it for all the storage you can get. Yeah. And that's great that you don't have to move the Laguna table either. Yeah, and we can actually fit bikes under here. Oh, that's right, yeah. If we want to run with them if it's bad weather. And this right here is the step that comes out and folds out and makes it. Oh, that is so cool. That's really cool. Yeah. I thought it was a really cool setup the way he did that. Kudos to him. Anyhow, we're gonna go check out some more van tours.
They're sort of broken.
Yeah.
Everything. Yeah. So how long have you been driving? Oh, you
Hang up over the. Hang on.
wiper.
Pop it down. Here it is. Right there. Socket.
I got it in my pocket.
I put in an articulating bed.
Okay, I will.
God, thank you very much, Stephen.
I know, right? And so it's a zero. It does all sorts of things. Let me just stop it there, and I'll bring the feet up. So it's a 3-way articulating bed. Yeah.
So you just follow I didn't bring a big scoop, so egg and cheese with beef.
All right, a little potluck dinner, and yeah, it was great. Everybody gets together and help fix everybody's van. Anybody who has any knowledge steps in. It's just such a great community. Everybody's so friendly and everything. It's great. But yeah, I think that's it for this week. I'm gonna go back across the street and join the other Hymer heads, as we call them, and hang out and enjoy what's left of the weekend. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please do. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.